Dictionaries in Python. Let's find out what's a dictionary, access, reassign and delete dictionaries, talk of some functions, methods and operations on dictionaries, iterate on them and nest them. A real-life dictionary holds words and their meanings. A Python dictionary holds key-value pairs. Here, we separate key-value pairs with colons and put commas between pairs. Then we put it all within curly braces. This is a dictionary where the key PB and J has the value peanut butter and jelly and PJ has the value pajamas. We can call it lingo. Simply using curly braces without putting key-value pairs between them creates an empty dictionary. There's a shorthand to create a dictionary. This is a dictionary comprehension. For each item in the range 0 to 7, key is square of item and its value is the item itself. This is the dictionary it creates, squares and numbers. A dictionary may hold any mutable or immutable item as the value, but a key cannot be mutable. You cannot use a list as a key. This dictionary has an integer key and a string key and a string value and a list value. To convert any compatible type into a dictionary, use dict from the dict class. This tuple of lists can be a dictionary, but it does not take multiple arguments. You must put this whole inside a tuple to pass to it just one argument. And if you declare values for a key again and again, it only takes on the last value you declared. Here we declared 3 values for the key 1, but 1 has the value 4, not 2, not 3, but 4. It first had the value 2, then 3 replaced it, and then 4 replaced it. This goes to show that dictionaries cannot hold duplicate keys. We can always create an empty dictionary and populate it later. This is an empty dictionary. Let's add key-value pairs one by one. And now, when we print it, this is the dictionary we have. Let's access values from this. We can print the entire dictionary. To get a single value, index the dictionary using the key. The get method gets the value for a key in the dictionary. The value for 49 is 7. And when we try using indexing to access the value for a key that does not exist, it raises a key error. But if we do this with the get method, it gives us none. We can also reassign dictionaries. We can update existing keys. The value for the key 2 is now 4. And we can also add new keys. This dictionary now holds 4 key-value pairs. Let's delete an entire dictionary. Dict4 now no longer exists. And if we only delete a single key-value pair, the pair 2, 2 has now been deleted from the dictionary. There are some built-in functions we can call with dictionaries. Len returns a dictionary's length, how long it is. Dict4 has 3 pairs and an empty dictionary has a length of 0. All checks whether all keys in the dictionary have a Boolean value of true. This dictionary also has a key which is an empty string. This has a Boolean value of false, so false. And any returns true if at least one key is true. Every key is false here, but here one key is true. And here the string 1 is true. Sorted gives us a sorted sequence of the keys in an ascending order. The keys here are 3, 1 and 4. Sorting them gives us 1, 3 and 4. but this does not modify the original dictionary. And what this returns is a list. And now some methods we can call on dictionaries. Keys will give us a list of all the keys in the dictionary. Dict4 has the keys 3, 1 and 4. And values gives us a list of all the values in the dictionary. And these are the values in Dict4. And items will give us a list of all the key value pairs in the dictionary. Get gets a key's value. We can also tell it what to return if it cannot find the key in the dictionary. The value for 3 is 3, and 5 does not belong to the dictionary, so it returns 0 for this. Clear empties a dictionary, and copy creates a shallow copy of the dictionary. This is a copy of Dict4. Making changes to this will also change the original Dict4. Pop lets you remove an item and display what was removed. Let's pop 4, pop 5, but if it doesn't exist in the dictionary, return -1. But if we don't prepare it for such a situation, it raises a key error. And pop item randomly removes an arbitrary key value pair from the dictionary. This removes the pair 9, 9 from it. And note that you'll get the same sequence of removal even if you restart the shell and do it again. There are no truly random numbers in Python, only pseudo-random. There's always a pattern. From keys uses the keys of an existing dictionary to create a new one. Use the keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and set the values to 0. And this one uses a tuple instead of a set for the keys. And if we don't mention the value to set, it will set none to each key. Calling update on one dictionary will update it with pairs from the dictionary in the argument. It will add to the first one the pairs that belong to the second one but not to the first one. This gives us the dictionary with the pairs 1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. Let's operate on dictionaries. This is the dictionary. Is 2 a key in this? Yes. Is 4 a key in this? No. We can also iterate on a dictionary using a for loop. This is the dictionary. For each key in this dictionary, print twice its value. One last thing about dictionaries, you can also nest them. Put one inside another. This dictionary has a dictionary as a value for the key 4. But a dictionary cannot be used as a key because keys cannot be mutable. But a dictionary is mutable. Now you know dictionaries in Python. Don't forget to check the assignments in your LMS.